Learning the secrets of spelling, letter patterns, and spelling strategy. Here are some key areas we'll be exploring. Double letters, morphological words families, words origins, spelling generalizations, common prefixes and suffixes. Welcome to English Class channel. Let's uncover hidden patterns in words and step up on our spelling skills. Secret 1. Double letters. Sometimes double letters show that the vowel before them is pronounced as a long sound. Example: fool, seal, root. Double letters can indicate that a word is divided into syllables. They often help in showing where one syllable ends and another begins. Examples: committee, beginner, syllable. Which words are spelled correctly? Let's use them to complete the sentences below. Here are the answers. Did dividing words into syllables help you spell the correct spelling? Secret 2. Spelling generalization. Spelling generalizations are helpful rules that apply to many words. They're like shortcuts that make it easier to figure out how to spell words correctly. Here are the most common ones to remember. Silent E rule, sound of Y, C, or K rule. When a word has a silent E at the end, it often changes the sound of the vowel that comes before it. For example, name, the E at the end makes the A say its name. Bite, the E at the end makes the I say its name. Hope, the E at the end change the L sound. When Y is at the end of a word, it can sound like a long I or a long E. For example, cry, the I at the end says I. Funny, the I at the end says E. This rule helps determine when to use C and K at the beginning of words. We use K after a single short vowel sound, E, I, or Y, and C in other cases to spell the K sound. For example, cat, long vowel sound A, clock, long vowel sound O, kite, short vowel sound I, key, short vowel sound Y. Word scramble. Can you recall the rules earlier? Let's unscramble the words below. Here the correction. Vocabulary break. Morphology. Morphology is about finding little word pieces called morphemes that have meaning. When we put these pieces together, they make words. Vision, visible, invisible. Look closely. What do these words have in common. Secret 3. Word family. Words that come from the same morpheme family often share the same root word, which gives them similar or related meanings. Vision, visible, invisible. These words' root morpheme is vis from the Latin words videre, meaning to see. More on these morpheme families. Secret 4. Prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes and suffixes are types of affixes or small groups of letters added to a root word to modify meaning or create a new word. A prefix is added to the beginning of the root word, while a suffix added at the end. Examples of prefixes: UN, RE, PRE, MIS. Examples of suffixes: ER, ABLE, FUL, LY. Secret 5. Word origins. Words' origins show how words were formed and have evolved over time. By exploring the origins of words, we gain insights into their meanings and the reasons behind their spelling. Examples: auto, Greek self. This root comes from the Greek word auto, meaning self. It's used to indicate something that can function or move on its own. Mobile, moving, also from Greek. Mobile refers to something that is capable of moving or being moved. Automobile combines these two roots to create a word that means a self-moving vehicle. It's a term we use today to refer to cars. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely enjoy this one. See you in the next video.